MeltPeak Drops is a supplement that supposedly helps you lose weight fast. A few drops under your tongue, and apparently the results are incredible. Yeah, sure. So, can we actually trust this? And according to this promo, even Oprah recommends it. But before we get into that, take a look at the page hosting this video. Today Show logo, video, comments. At first glance, it looks pretty convincing. Then you look closer. Those comments, they're not comments. They're just a block of text. You can't like them, you can't reply, you can't click anything. They're fake. And the Today Show branding? Same problem. This page has nothing to do with the Today Show. Just look at the address at the top. And this isn't the only version of this page. These scam pages keep changing. Different supplements, different videos, different celebrities. Here's another version. Same basic template, still Oprah, but the video is slightly different. And here's another one. Same page again, except now Oprah is gone. That's Kelly Clarkson. Put the videos side by side, same room, same body, same movements. They're just swapping faces. Yeah, that's a deep fake. But the celebrity isn't really the point. The point is what they're trying to sell you. The video starts with a supposedly simple weight loss recipe. Stuff you supposedly already have in your kitchen: baking soda, water, lemon, and of course, one secret ingredient. They keep teasing it. Any second now, except it never comes. You can watch the whole thing carefully. The actual recipe is never revealed. Instead, you eventually get told that everything great about this recipe is basically packed into a supplement. In this case, MeltPeak Drops. Other versions use other names: Alkaline, AlkaSlim, Soda Slim, different supplement, same sales tactic. Hook you with a cheap home recipe. Then turn it into buy this bottle. And once the video ends, surprise, the hidden sales section opens up. 2 bottles, 3 bottles, 6 bottles. Buy more, get a bigger discount. Then come the official looking badges. Certifications, right? Nope. They're just images. There's nothing behind them. They're there to make the page look trustworthy. Then we get the reviews, before and after photos. Can we trust those? Let's check. I ran one of the images through Google, and there it is. The same picture shows up on other websites, weight loss articles, Instagram news pages, so whatever the original source is. This is not evidence of a real MeltPeak customer. Keep scrolling. Now we get Dr. Anya Jastreboff. The page makes it look like she developed MeltPeak Drops and this baking soda recipe. There's just one problem. She didn't. In fact, she has warned that scammers use her image, video, and voice to promote questionable weight loss products. Oprah has warned about the same thing. Her image, her voice, her video used to push questionable supplements and weight loss schemes. So if you see Oprah, Kelly Clarkson, or another celebrity suddenly revealing some secret kitchen trick, and then somehow that secret turns into a bottle they want you to buy, come on, that should tell you everything. But let's go one step further. Let's try to buy it. Here's the checkout page. Now they want your credit card number and your personal information. And at this point, we still don't even know who's actually behind this page. What else do we get? 5-star rating, more badges, more glowing reviews, and apparently almost 30,000 customers. Okay, where are they? There's no source for that number, no link, nothing. I checked Trustpilot too, nothing there, no reviews at all. And here's another important part. I've covered a very similar product before. Back then it was called Melt Drops. Now it's MeltPeak Drops. Same kind of offer, slightly different name. And with Melt Drops, there are reviews from actual customers. People complained that it didn't help them. Others said refunds were promised, but they couldn't get their money back. So remember this. A secret recipe that never gets revealed, and somehow the answer is always a supplement. Ignore it. This is fake marketing designed to sell you a questionable product. That's it. Thanks for watching.